way to the metro because it's really crazy busy out here. We had to push time back for the to meet with the people and to pray with them and to just have a time with the Lord. But we had to push time back because people don't want to come out at night time, during the day, because it's dangerous. They don't want to get taken by immigration, and it's a lot. But what we have to do, we don't have a car, so taking the train and making it happen. I'm on the metro. We're taking this right here. We're going to take it to the hood. We're going to the hood and meet with people, spend some time with them, sing with them. These are the parents and the adult, the community. We're going to meet with them. Yeah. So the car was in broke down. So we have now to walk. We have to walk because the car that was in broke down. Yep.
I'm here with the pastor of the church. And we are here in the Dominican Republic, and we are here to just to be a blessing to the people. Thank you guys who donated, who gave, and we are about to bless the community. Thank you so very much. And some people want to say thank you to you guys. You want to hear them? Come on, say thank you.